Hey there, I'm Dr. Eric. This right here is an incredible part of our body. It's actually very amazing, but we take it for granted. Our feet are built to work best when we are barefoot, but we've moved away from that. Studies show that barefoot walking is not just good for our bodies, it's also great for our minds. And people tried all sorts of fancy shoes and treatments to fix foot pain. But the real issue is the place where we typically spend most of our days. Our offices and workplaces, they are not designed for natural movement. But what if we could change that? I am super excited about our new partnership with TheraFloor. TheraFloor is a pioneering brand from Germany, and they are known for their amazing industrial 3D printing technology. This collaboration lets us, for the very first time ever in the history of treadmills, bring you a biomechanically optimized outdoor walking experience. TheraFloor's groundbreaking approach changes the game in manufacturing. It's going to bring the comfort and the feel of barefoot walking outdoors right into your workspace.
We're essentially hacking an evolutionary trait that our ancestors used to survive in the wild and molding it to benefit the modern-day office worker.
Manufacturing a slat that mimics the experience of walking barefoot on natural terrain has been an insurmountable challenge with conventional methods. TheraFloor introduces a completely irregular shaped terrain textured surface mimicking the natural contours of small hills and valleys. This design is a global novelty, offering a walking experience like no other. The unique terrain provides varied stimulation with each step, promoting natural foot movements and engaging different muscles and nerves in your feet. This varied stimulation is akin to walking on natural, uneven ground, which can significantly enhance balance and proprioception.
We worked with TheraFloor to create a special technology that we're calling TheraDots. These tiny 3D printed pyramids mimic the minuscule changes in surface texture felt by the foot and analyzed by the brain while walking barefoot in nature. Our brains evolved to be constantly aware of and analyzing the information provided by the feet to learn about our environment. So if you keep the feet stimulated, you keep the brain awake.
The geometric complexity of uneven terrain is one aspect, but the real difficulty lies in creating a texture that precisely stimulates the neurons in our feet. Natural environments present varying levels of softness and hardness, and replicating this variability is essential.
Research indicates that walking on surfaces with varying firmness significantly improves muscle activation and reduces joint peak forces, thus reducing existing pain and minimizing overuse injury risk. TheraZones are an innovative feature that blend different cushioning levels from soft to firm. This unique combination optimizes energy return, offering a pleasant rebounding effect and even pressure distribution. Whether you're walking barefoot or with shoes, the TheraZones ensure maximum comfort, making it ideal for those with knee, hip, or foot pain.
We are working on solutions that fit into our busy lives and keep you moving even while you work, in the least distracting, the most natural, and the most comfortable way. That's why I'm so excited about the new options for our products with TheraFloor. It's a huge step forward in the evolution of our products, and it will change the way you work and how you feel every day.